Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my protein treatment routine. This treatment is really easy and you can find all the ingredients for this treatment in your kitchen. This treatment is perfect for damaged hair. It revives your hair after heat damage. It also strengthens your hair. Most importantly, it will have your hair growing non-stop. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button below. So let's hop into the video. So the first thing we're going to be using is our egg. So I'm going to crack an egg open. The benefits of eggs are it is high in protein, it tame frizzes, it balance scalp sebum, it enhance hair, it add luster to your mane, and it is very high in protein. Now I'll be using my softy oil. This softy oil it strengthens weak, fragile hair by repairing damage that is caused by heat and harsh treatments. It has in olive oil, it has in shea butter extract, rosemary extract, soybean, meadow foam seed oil. It's a very good oil, but you can use your extra virgin olive oil. Also, we will also be using our mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is very good for the hair. When you use mayonnaise in your hair, it adds shine and it strengthens your hairs from the root to the tip. And the main ingredient in mayonnaise are egg and oil. The high amount of protein in eggs help strengthen and thicken your hair follicles. So mayonnaise is very good. So it does add shine to the hair. So now I am going to be mixing all these ingredients together and then I will apply it to my hair. Guys, forgive me for looking a mess. So I am sectioning my hair into 4 parts. Then I'm going to be applying the treatment from the root to the ends. So you guys stay tuned. So here am I applying it from the root, guys. The scent, oh my god, the scent is real. Like, I'm not really a fan of eggs, but you can just imagine having egg in your hair. Like, it's good though, but my god, it is. So I'm applying it from my root to the ends. As you can see, my hair is very short, so I use only 1 egg, but it depends on how long your hair is and how much of a mixture you would want. You will decide how much it is that you want, how many eggs you want to use. But this as I said in the intro, that this will have your hair growing non-stop. So you guys should definitely try it. And guys, let me know if you have ever tried this protein treatment before, and when you're doing your protein treatment, what is it that you use for your treatment. Guys, I don't recommend that you do this in your living room because it's messy and it does have a odor. But I am going to speed up this video and I am going to be putting this mixture all over my hair. So as soon as I am finished, I will check back in with you guys. So as you guys can see, I am finished adding the product to my hair. It is all over, it is spread. So now I'm going to be massaging the product or the protein treatment into my scalp, just rubbing it in, and then I will be put in my shower cap. Oh, I cannot find my shower cap, so I will be using a clear plastic bag just to seal in that heat, trap that heat in so that it can penetrate, and my cuticles will be open so that it can go down, go in and do, just go in and do the do. Yeah, so I am going to do that, and then I'm going to be adding a additional shower cap over it because I just really want to trap that heat in. So guys, I'll be back. So guys, I'm going to let this stay for 30 minutes to 1 hour, and then I'll wash it out and come back to you guys. So it's 8:52 now, so I am going to let it stay in for an hour, so I'll come back 9:52. Yeah guys, the scent though, the scent. So after about an hour, I have decided that it's time for me to wash this protein treatment out of my hair. Guys, it has been sweating, it has been running, so it's definitely time for me to wash it out. I will be using cold water, not hot water, because if you do use hot water, you will be cooking the eggs in your hair, and you don't want that. That's a no-no. So I will definitely be using cold water. What I love to use is my Tresemme shampoo and my Tresemme condition. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'm using cold water to rinse this protein treatment out of my hair. Don't use no hot water. So I shampoo my hair 3 times and I condition my hair once. Ensure that you wash this scent out of your hair because you don't want to be walking around smelling like eggs. So I'm just massaging my scalp with the condition. So I'm using the Tresemme condition, and I am just using the comb to just massage my scalp, scratching my scalp, all of that. So that's what it is. This is how my hair is looking after the treatment is out of my hair. I can feel the difference, guys. I can feel the difference. Like my hair is feeling strengthened. That is, I can definitely feel a difference. You guys should try this treatment, and don't forget to do a deep conditioning on your hair, because you will definitely need to do a deep conditioning after doing a protein treatment, just to add back that pH to your hair, because you can't have too much protein and no moisture. They both go hand in hand, so you need protein and you also need moisture. So check out my next video for that.